Morning, everybody. We are making waffles this morning. It's a combination of butter, eggs, flour, and we have the waffle maker. So that's how fluffy the finished product is. It's really soft, it smells good. So this is a short video. I'll just show you how it looks like after, I don't know, 2 minutes or so. So yun lang, imimix lang lahat na ingredients, or you can add anything you want. And now it's simmering. Welcome to our messy kitchen. Kumusta kayong lahat? Anong pagkain nyo? Anong ulam nyo? Or anong breakfast nyo? Sa amin ito lang. Ito and kape. Very budgeted breakfast. Oh, it's not? It's... Tama ba yung English na yun? Budgeted? Anyway, we're waiting for that. Oh, wrong pala. It's, steaming so hard. Ang niya, very siya guys, ang bango talaga nitong mix na to. So, pinakamadali na almusal kung ayaw ng fried rice. Usually my breakfast is fried rice. Pero pinakamadali is ito at or 'di ba? Oatmeal. So yun, nag-beat na si Kuya. Yun na, 'di ba? Ang bilis, tapos ang fluffy niya. Yun lang guys, kain tayo. Bye-bye.